This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Monday, February 6th. If you received a notification on your phone last week from Royal Caribbean advising you to go to your muster station, well, it was only a glitch. An alert sent out by the cruise line said you have 30 minutes. Go to your assembly station now and complete your mandatory safety briefing. Quickly after the alert was sent, the cruise line addressed the mistake on social media, saying these push notifications were sent in error and can be disregarded. Our teams have already resolved the system error, and you can continue to keep your notifications toggled to on for the Royal Caribbean app. Royal Caribbean and Carnival brands are two of the cruise lines that are continuing to keep the e-muster drill, while Norwegian and Disney have returned. Now, it could have been worse. They could have mispronounced Antigua. And two cruise ships have announced maintenance calls and, in turn, canceling sailings. Royal Caribbean notified guests sailing Liberty of the Seas on April 23rd that its sailing to Perfect Day will be canceled, citing routine maintenance. The line is giving guests the option to rebook on another sailing or cancel for a complete refund. Liberty is currently sailing cruises to the Bahamas and the Caribbean from Port Everglades. And Carnival Cruise Line has also notified guests sailing aboard Carnival Glory that it has canceled voyages from the end of next March through the month of April for 2024 for a month-long dry dock. After the dry dock, Glory will reposition to Port Canaveral for 3- and 4-night Bahamas cruises. And if you're a fan of the Canada-New England cruises, the Port of Halifax is gearing up for a busy season. This year, the Eastern Canadian port will see over 191 cruise ship calls during the season, bringing around 325,000 cruise passengers to the port. The 2023 season kicks off on April 22nd with the arrival of Norwegian Dawn and closes November 9th. The Port Authority has said they had a solid recovery year last year and are now well positioned for a year of growth. Popular excursions in the area are the Citadel, the Titanic History Tours, and a visit to the lighthouse at Peggy's Cove. And cruise line stocks were down on Friday. Carnival Corporation down 2%, 11.80. Royal Caribbean down 1.3%, 68.44. And Norwegian down 3.2%, 16.57. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Have a tip or a lead on a news story? Let us know. Email tips@cruiseradio.net.